What is up, guys? I'm going to show you how to make your own Star Wars Galaxy of Heroes mobile game capture. Okay, so you can talk about your Star Wars stuff day in and day out. Show us your guild stuff, all your battles, all the craziness. Let's get this app to load here. Jeez, taking forever. Come on, load, load, load. And I'll show you exactly how to do this. Anyway, here's my screen. I'll show you where I'm sitting at in Arena and Fleet. Go over here to my guild. Yeah. Oh, there you go. My guild's kind of weak. The radar techs, but they're fun, they're nice guys. Anyway, I'll show you exactly how to make this video. If you go into the App Store, go to Play Store here, type in AZ, you're going to get the AZ Screen Recorder, no root. That's it. Download that app and use it. And that's the way to do screen capture of your online mobile gaming stuff. Anyway, I thought I'd make a short tutorial on how to accomplish that, because people are always asking, hey, how do I record off my phone? Well, this is how you record off your phone. Easy, easy. Cool, huh? All right, talk to you guys later. Be sure to like the video and subscribe. Thanks.